No, it doesn't turn around.
Yeah. You have to do this.
It's the Vlog King here. Vlogging again from the vlog. Is it?
It's like a dead raccoon.
I don't know if it's.
Log one, bud.
Made it, man.
Oh yeah, we got Jesse, Brandon, Orlando, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Bien, sí. And over here we got Nick, Jared, and Trent. You guys ready for the hike or what?
Nope. Been ready. No, sir.
Good afternoon.
You want to give the update?
It's 12:16 right now, so it is good afternoon. The boys are buzzing over there.
Oh yeah.
We're halfway through our hike, I think. This is viewpoint number 2 of like 6. It says that we have 6 hours and 15 minutes left, but we don't actually. We have probably like 3 hours.
No, you're good.
But so far so good. It's very pretty out here.
The view's crazy. Jeez. Not bad, eh?
Not bad at all.
All right, well, we're at about the halfway point. We're gonna take some lunch, take a little break because we kind of ran the last little bit.
What's up?
How you feeling so far about the hike?
It's been sweet so far. I'm excited for the lookout.
Oh yeah, the lookout's gonna be sick. What you doing there, Nick?
Socks are a little wet.
Freaking hot on my bare feet, bro.
Ah.
My one sock's soaked.
Trent, would you want to enlighten us what you brought for lunch?
I brought 4 pieces of chicken.
4.
4. To
Just
the power
4?
of 4.
Okay. Not bad.
Wendy's.
Wendy's?
On the Wendy's.
¿Qué quieres, Wendy's?
Yeah. Large lemonade.
No sé.
Large lemonade, yeah.
Yeah, he's a little upset because we don't have any Wendy's, but we'll get there later. So, anyways, enjoy the rest. Nice spot, no?
Huh? No, it's these.
Hey, perdón. Hey, perdón.
Okay.
Nick.
All right, well, small update. I put up my FPV drone and was flying it and she crashed. So, with my GoPro on it. So, it's a good day, you know. I'm trying to debate now if it's even worth to go find it, because I mean, if it crashed, it would have crashed near the water. So honestly, at this point, it could be anywhere. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure that out now. But besides that, this hike's been pretty good anyway. So can't really complain, you know. It was bound to happen sometime. So who knows? Maybe we'll find the GoPro. If not, it is what it is. Okay, so on our way back, we noticed some dude with some kayaks. We're thinking maybe go ask the dude if we can borrow them for a little bit. Maybe give him some cash, see if he'll say yes, and if so, might take a kayak out there. What do you think?
I don't think much of it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, give it a shot. Who knows, man?
Parking more right there, huh?
Might get a parking ticket. Good news is we knocked on some random person's door on like a street that kind of goes down the same way as the peninsula, and asked to borrow their kayaks, and they said yes, thankfully. I offered to pay them, they were like, nah, you're good. So yeah, we're gonna eat some grub and then head out there, see if we can find it.
You're too white to use the term eat some grub.
Yeah, well, I just did.
You're not white enough, but you're too white, you know what I mean? There's a fine line
That
there.
doesn't even make sense.
No.
Don't look into it too much.
Well,
bro.
anyways, yeah, we're gonna go see if we can find it. I hope we do, because that's an expensive GoPro. Okay, so we're out here. We got Trent, we got Jesse back there. We lost the drone somewhere over here. So we literally asked this random couple. So we're gonna head over there, see if we can find it. All right, well, we stopped here, take a look. I swam out over there, didn't really see much. The big peak is just behind this one where I started flying. I thought I lost connection here in this area, but I might have just lost it around this bend. So we're gonna head over there next, take a look. But yeah, unfortunately for now, no luck. Well, unfortunately I couldn't find it, so we're heading back in. But man, this is the view today. I might have lost the drone, but you know what? Can't complain about this. And where are these from?
They're from Market Fresh, and they're from Market Fresh, Don, in Guelph.
Yeah.
Oh, Decadently yours.
Okay, they
so-
look amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
those are
really
awesome.
good.
Well, I think we just met the nicest people on the planet. So we randomly knocked on the door, asked if they had kayaks that we could go check to see if we could find my drone. They were like, yeah, no problem. So we went, got dinner, came back, grabbed the kayaks. Fortunately, we didn't find it, but when we got back, they just gave us cupcakes, and these are fire.
No, these are like high quality
Like,
gourmet.
yeah, they're
cupcakes.
not like your superstore cupcakes. Like, these are from like a specialty store, and they're I haven't even taken a bite.
Mine's amazing.
I can't eat mine.
Yeah, that's gas.
It might
yeah.
be gas. Maybe gas.
Yeah, he's got some allergies, but yeah, they literally were just like, yeah, like you can use our kayaks. They helped us with everything, and like such a random story, but incredible. So what were their names again?
Tina and Jim.
Tina and Jim. Shout out to Tina and Jim if you ever watch this. Thank you so
Thank
much. We
you.
really appreciate it. This is fire. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna head back and go to sleep. It's been a long day.
Long day.
So what do you do? You're ruining the vlog, bro.
What do you mean? You're done.
Anyways,
Trent's cutting us off. We gotta go.
all right, guys. We'll see you later. But yeah, thanks for joining. We'll see ya. It's mine. Don't touch my freaking
on
drink,
my
bro.
side. It was like
How
this, bro.
about
It's
no?
on
How
my
about you
half.
don't touch my drink,
Bro, I
literally don't touch my drink.
Bro. So lucky there's people behind here. I would have said the most out of pocket thing right now.